Kaizer Chiefs head coach Fernando de Cruz has urged Amakosi supporters to remain patient, insisting they will soon have reason to be proud of the team despite their disappointing MTN 8 exit. Chiefs' hopes of lifting the MTN 8 trophy were ended on Sunday when they suffered a 1-0 quarterfinal defeat to Golden Arrows at FNB Stadium. The Glamour Boys struggled to find a response after Kulegani Shezi broke the deadlock early in the second half, leaving a section of the home supporters frustrated as Chiefs bowed out of the competition. The defeat was Da Cruz's first since taking charge of the Soweto Giants. The French coach had enjoyed a promising start to his tenure, guiding Chiefs to an emphatic 3-1 victory over Betway Premiership newcomers Kruger United in his opening match. Despite the setback, Da Cruz remained positive about the team's progress and believes there are encouraging signs within the squad, and said, to be honest, today is very disappointing because we wanted to move forward in this competition, but there are also other competitions. We need to work hard on our weaknesses to improve our level, but I'm happy with the mindset of the team. It's the best, and the fans will be proud of the team in the next few weeks. The Chiefs boss believes his side is closer than many might think to reaching the required level to compete consistently for major honors. Da Cruz is now tasked with quickly lifting the team after their MTN 8 disappointment, with Chiefs returning to Betway Premiership action against Sekhukhune United at FNB Stadium on Wednesday evening. The match, scheduled for 7:30 kickoff, presents Chiefs with an immediate opportunity to respond on the pitch. However, the fixture list offers little respite. Following the clash with Sekhukhune, Amakosi will face reigning African champions Mamelodi Sundowns at the weekend in what promises to be another major test of Da Cruz's early reign. For Chiefs, the next two matches could provide an early indication of whether Da Cruz's promise of a team supporters can be proud of is beginning to take shape. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.